This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Camry. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, the Toyota Entune infotainment system, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.